Post-election terrorism has reached its peak after the Trinamool Congress won in the West Bengal Assembly election. The BJP has held a statewide protest in Tripura to protest the ban on terrorism going on in West Bengal. Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb and other leaders joined the protest at Bojjamnagar Chomani in Agartala against the violence across West Bengal. Joining the protest, Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb said that after the results of West Bengal Assembly poll came out, there were attacks on the homes of BJP leaders and activists across the state, and terrorism and vicious attacks are on its peak. Bharatiya Janata Party officials were being brutally killed and women were being tortured. Homes have been vandalized and the Chief Minister termed it as a cruel incident. Terming this to be a cruel incident, Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb along with BJP supporters and activists held protest in every mandal area of Tripura. Condemning such activities, Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb demanded an end to such terrorism in West Bengal, while adding that all party leaders and activists in Tripura are by the side of the party workers and supporters in West Bengal.
বাংলাতে বিধানসভা নির্বাচনের রেজাল্ট বেরোবার পর পুরো রাজ্যব্যাপী ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টির কার্যকর্তা পরিবারদের বর্গের উপর অমানসিক ঐতিহাসিক আক্রমণ তৃণমূল পার্টির নেতৃত্বে গুন্ডা বাহিনীর দ্বারা যেভাবে নির্মমভাবে ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টির কার্যকর্তাদের খুন করা হচ্ছে, মহিলাদের শ্লীলতাহানি করা হচ্ছে, বাড়িঘর ভাঙচুর করা হচ্ছে, যেটা এক মানব সমাজে এক অত্যন্ত নিন্দনীয় সমাজ ব্যবস্থা তৈরি করেছে। তার বিরুদ্ধে আমরা ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টি
However, the name of the party written in Chief Minister's placard during the protest was incorrect. Centering this, many questions have started to arise in various quarters as well as social media platforms as to why such a mistake was made in the placard held by the Chief Minister. Didn't he also notice the mistake? Ordinary people could not accept such a big mistake in the hand of ruling party's Chief Minister. The incident created a stir among the common people of the state. On the other, torture is certainly reprehensible in any democratic state. Those who currently belong to the opposition political parties in Tripura have raised several questions in this regard. They added that the way BJP state leaders are reacting on post-poll violence terrorism in West Bengal, did they even once think what they did to the opposition when they came into power on 3rd of March 2018 in Tripura? Opposition party offices were vandalized in different parts of the state after Biplab Kumar Deb swore in as the new Chief Minister. Around 514 opposition political parties have been attacked. 1,539 houses have been vandalized. At least 194 houses of the opposition party leaders and supporters have been set on fire. Moreover, BJP forcibly occupied 206 party offices of the opposition. Yet today, a large number of opposition political party offices are locked. In fact, opponents do not have the right to protest in the state. Moreover, the BJP leaders like Dilip Ghosh are equally responsible for the unrest that has erupted in West Bengal after the poll results. The political slogan of Dilip Ghosh, Bodol hobe bodlao hobe, meant that there will be a change in the government as well as a revenge on Trinamool Congress workers as well. Examples of provocation and defamatory statements by the BJP leaders in West Bengal against the Trinamool Congress is endless. They themselves have made a series of violence invoking statements that earned them widespread condemnation today. Bureau Report, Halabol.